Hi, hello children. Welcome to my channel. Let's learn mathematics. So, today I am going to teach 8th mathematics. So, in the 8th mathematics, the first chapter is rational numbers. So, let us learn today chapter 1 rational numbers. So, in the chapter 1 rational numbers, the first exercise is exercise 1.1. So the first question is, using appropriate properties, find minus 2 by 3 into 3 by 5 plus 5 by 2 minus 3 by 5 into 1 by 6. So we have to write the given problem. Write it as the same problem here. So in the given problem, so we can solve it directly by multiplying numerator into numerator and denominator into denominator. We can solve it easily, but they are asking here using appropriate properties. You have to find the solution for this problem. So in the given problem, I am going to group here. Okay, I am going to group here minus 2 by 3 into 3 by 5 plus 5 by 2 minus 3 by 5 into 1 by 6. So this is one group and this is second group. In the next step, so I have written these two fraction one side. Minus 2 by 3 into 3 by 5. This minus 3 by 5 into 1 by 6. Again plus 5 by 2. Write it as same. This is by using commutative property. Okay, in the next step, so my 3 in this two group of fraction, just observe here 3 by 5 here also 3 by 5 is here. We have to take 3 by 5 as a common factor. I have taken 3 by 5 as a common factor. In this group of fraction, 3 by 5 as a common factor, remaining minus 2 by 3 left over. Next, in this group of fraction, again minus 1 by 6 left over. Next, close the bracket. Again remaining 5 by 2 write as it is. Okay. Next, this is by using distributive property. Okay. By distributive property. Okay. Next. In the next step, so in this bracket we have to solve the first problems in the bracket. See, in the bracket minus 2 by 3 minus 1 by 6 here. So in the minus 2 by 3 and minus 1 by 6, here we have a different numbers in the denominator 3 and 6. Next we have to take the LCM for 3 and 6. If I take LCM for 3 and 6, I will get LCM 3 to the 6 as the LCM here. So in this fraction already 6 in the denominator, but in this fraction 6 is not here. So if you want it denominator to become 6, we have to multiply both numerator and denominator from 2. Then we will get 6 in the denominator. I have written directly. So 3 by 5 write as it is. Here for 3 and 6, 6 is the LCM. 6 write as it is. So divide 6 from 3, we will get 3 to the 6. 2. 2 into minus 2, 2 to the 4, minus 4. Next, 6 1 the 6. Here 6 is here also 6 is here. Remaining, write the numerator minus 1. Okay. Next, close the bracket. Next, plus 5 by 2. Right? The remaining fraction. Okay. Next in the next step 3 by 5 and minus 4 minus 1. Here we have a same sign in the number, so we have to add it. Minus 4 and minus 1, minus 5 divided by 6 plus 5 by 2. Okay. Next, here in this two fraction, if the bracket is there, means 3 by 5 and minus 5 by 6, the middle into is there. With that we should understand. Here I am going to cancel it directly. 5 ones are 5, 5 ones are 5. Okay. Remaining minus 1 into 3. 3 into 1, 3. minus write as it is. Remaining in the numerator minus 3 left over. Next in the denominator 6 ones are 6 left over. Plus write as it is. Next again 5 by 2 write as it is. Okay. Next in the next step again we have a different denominator in the given fraction. Again we have to take the LCM for 6 and 2, otherwise we can't add and subtract. If we want to add and subtract the fractions, the denominator should be same. If it is not same, we have to take the LCM for the denominator numbers. Again if I take LCM for 6 and 2, I got LCM as 6. 6 is the LCM. So for 6 is the LCM means in this first fraction already in the denominator 6 is here. No need of change. Minus 3 by 6 write as it is. Plus write as it is. In the second fraction 5 by 2 is here. Here the denominator we want denominator it should become as a 6. If the denominator should become as a 6, we have to multiply denominator and numerator from 3, then we will get the 6 in the denominator. Okay, 2 3s are 6, 5 3s are 15. Okay, again we have a same denominator 6 and 6. We can add and subtract easily. Here minus 3 by 6 plus 15 by 6. In the 6 is 6 taken it as a common number. Again remaining minus 3 write as it is, plus write as it is, 15 write as it is. Again we have a different sign for the number. One is minus here, one is plus here. So if the different sign is there means we have to subtract it. 15 ಅಲ್ಲಿ 3 ಹೋದ್ರೆ 12. Then we have to keep the bigger number sign. For 3 and 15 is the bigger number, so that bigger number sign is plus write as it is. Remaining 6 in the denominator write as it is. So if we divide 12 from 6, we will get 2. 2 is the answer for the given problem. Okay, understood? I hope you understood, children. Next in the same main second question. Okay, in the same main second question, this is also we have to solve it by using appropriate properties. Here also first we have to write the given problem. Given 2 by 5 into minus 3 by 7 minus 1 by 6 into 3 by 2 plus 1 by 14 into 2 by 5. Okay. So here also I have grouped here these two one fraction, these two one fraction, these two one fraction, because in these two fraction in the middle into is there means these two one fraction. So again here in this group of fraction 2 by 5 is here. Here also in this group of fraction 2 by 5 is here. I am going to write one side these two fractions, that is by using commutative property. I have written one side 2 by 5 into minus 3 by 7. Okay, next again plus 1 by 40 into 2 by 5. In the middle one minus 1 by 6 into 3 by 2 right as it is. That is by using commutative property. Next in the next step, in this two group of fraction 2 by 5 is common here. 2 by 5 is common here. Take 2 by 5 as a common factor. If we take 2 by 5 as a common factor, in this group of fraction minus 3 by 7 left over. Okay. Next, in this group of fraction, if we take 2 by 5 as a common factor, 1 by 14 left over. Okay. Next, minus write remaining fractions as it is, minus 1 by 6 into 3 by 2. That is by using distributive property. Okay. Next, in the next step, so we should always solve out the bracket problems first. In the bracket, in this two fraction, 7 in the denominator, in this fraction the 14 is the denominator. So we have to take the LCM for 7 and 14. If we take LCM for 7 and 14, we will get 14 is the LCM. Okay, 14 is the LCM. 14 write as it is. Next 14 in this fraction. If we divide 14 from 7, 7 2s are 14. We will get 2. Multiply that 2 into numerator minus 3. 2 into minus 3 minus 6. Again plus write as it is. 14 ones are 14. 14 ones are 14 ones are 14. Here 14 is here. Here also 14 is here. Right? Numerator plus 1 as it is. Okay. Next minus 1 by 6 into 3 by 2. Right as it is. Next 2 by 5 right as it is. Minus 6 plus 1. Here we have a different sign for the number. One is minus is here, one is plus 1 plus is here. If we have a different sign for the number, we have to subtract it. 6 ಅಲ್ಲಿ 1 ಹೋದ್ರೆ 5 and we have to keep the bigger number sign. 6 ಮತ್ತೆ 1 ಅಲ್ಲಿ bigger number 6 ಆಗಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಅದರದ್ದು ಸೈನ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ನ ಇಡಬೇಕು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ 14 right as it is. Minus 1 by 6 into 3 by 2. Okay. Next again we have a 2 by 5 minus 5 by 14 minus 1 by 6 into 3 by 2. Again here we can do direct cancellation. Here in the numerator 5 is here. Here in the denominator 5 is here. Here in the numerator 3 is here. Here 6 is here. So here 5 ones are 5, 5 ones are 5. Here also 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6. We can do direct cancellation method. Remaining 2 ones are 2 minus right as it is. 14 ones are 14 right as it is. Next minus 1 into 1 1, 2 twos are 4, 4 right as it is. Minus 2 by 14 minus 1 by 4. Again we have a different denominator in the fraction. Again we have to take the LCM for 14 and 4. Okay, if we take LCM for 14 and 4, we will get 28 as the LCM. We will get 28 as a LCM. Here 28 as the LCM means for minus 2 by 14. Here it should want to become 28 means we should multiply 14 from 14 2s are 28. We have to multiply it from 2. Here if you want to become its 28 means here we have to multiply from 7. Okay. So 28 as the LCM. 28 divide 28 from 14. 14 2s are 28. That multiply that 2 into numerator 2. 2 into minus 2 minus 4. Okay. Minus right as it is. Again 4 7s are 28. 7 1s are 7. Okay. Minus 4 minus 7. Here we have a same sign in the number. So we have to add 7 and 4 minus 11. Minus 4 minus 7 is equal to minus 11 divided by 28. Minus 11 by 28 is the answer for the given problem. Okay.